Welcome to the Computer Literacy Center's online instructional video about the Spelling and Grammar Checker and the Help tool in Microsoft Word. The Spelling and Grammar Checker is useful for finding and correcting errors in a document, and the Help tool is a convenient way to quickly find and learn about features and tools in Word. My name is Cannon Christensen, and I will guide you through this tutorial. In this video, you will correct spelling and grammar errors with the Spelling and Grammar Checker and search for features and tools in Word using the Help tool. If you want to follow along, download the start file included in this module. Open it in Word and click Enable Editing to get started. This document contains spelling and grammar errors. You will use the Spelling and Grammar Checker to correct these errors. Notice in the document how there are words underlined in red and in blue. These are mistakes that are recognized by the Spelling and Grammar Checker. The red underlines indicate spelling errors such as misspelled words, repeated words, or capitalization errors. The blue underlines indicate grammatical errors such as incorrect punctuation, incorrect words, or subject-verb agreement errors. These underlines appear after the incorrect words are typed. If you are using Word for Microsoft 365, you may also see dashed underlines in your documents with suggestions to improve your writing style. Some common errors are corrected automatically after they are typed. To illustrate this, select the word the in the second paragraph, delete it, and type HTE to misspell the word. Press the spacebar and the word automatically changes to the. One way to correct errors is to right-click on a word and select the correct option. Right-click on the underlined word in the first paragraph and select the word Appearance in the pop-up menu that appears to correct the spelling error. Now you will access the Spelling and Grammar Checker. To do this, either click the checker in the status bar or go to the Review tab and select the Spelling and Grammar button. This opens the proofing pane on the right side of the screen. If you are using Word for Microsoft 365, the Editor feature replaces the traditional Spelling and Grammar Checker, so what you encounter may be different from the standalone version of Word 2024 shown here. In the proofing pane, the Spelling and Grammar Checker goes through each of the errors and gives you information about the error and suggestions to fix it. At the top of the pane, it shows the type of error and a message describing the error. Underneath the error message is a text box that allows you to read the sentence the error is in or listen to it read aloud. In the Suggestions box, Word lists suggestions of changes you can make to fix the error, such as showing the correct spelling of a word with synonyms for the word to help you make a good choice. Underneath the Suggestions box are three buttons: Ignore Once, Ignore All, and Add to Dictionary. Selecting Ignore Once will ignore this instance of the word. Ignore All will ignore the word every time it occurs in the document so that the Spelling and Grammar Checker won't suggest a correction. Selecting Add to Dictionary will add the term to Microsoft Word's dictionary so that it will learn the word and not suggest a correction for it on any document. The first error it sees is a spelling error, and the message describing the error says that the word that was typed is not in the dictionary. This means that Word does not recognize the term. The tool shows a suggestion for a correction you can make. Click the word Formatting in the Suggestions box to accept it. The next error is a grammatical error, and there is an explanation saying that it is better not to have a space before the punctuation. Accept the suggestion and the next suggestion. This next error is a repeated word. Because this word is accidentally typed twice, select Delete Repeated Word to remove it. Accept the next three suggestions, and a dialog box appears that says either Spelling and Grammar Check is complete or you have finished reviewing editor's suggestions. Click OK, and now you have corrected all of the errors in the document. One way to access the Help tool in Word is by using the Microsoft search box at the top of the window. It is a useful tool for quickly finding features and tools. For example, let's say that you want to change the page orientation, but you don't know where the tool is located. Click the search box and type Orientation. The first result is Change Page Orientation. Select this option and change the orientation to Landscape. To learn more about features in Word, you can access Help information. You can search for help information with the search bar, or you can open the Help task pane from the ribbon. To do this, go to the Help tab and select Help. This opens the Help pane on the right side of the screen. Let's say that you want to find information about using SmartArt. Click the search bar at the top of the Help pane and type SmartArt. Select the option Learn More about SmartArt Graphics, and a help article opens that explains how to use SmartArt Graphics. In this video, you made corrections to spelling and grammar with the Spelling and Grammar Checker and search for Microsoft Word features using the Help feature. For more information about Microsoft Word and other computer literacy topics, visit our website at weber.edu/clc.